Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to learn about prepositions. Now, you might think, oh, that sounds like a boring grammar lesson, but wait, these are actually magic words. They are the secret code that tells us exactly where something is, when something happens, and where it's going. Imagine trying to find a hidden treasure, but the map doesn't have prepositions. You'd be lost forever. Let's look at a few magic words. In is for enclosed spaces, like the cat is in the box. On is for surfaces, like the cat is on the table. See, it changes everything. Master these, and you'll never be lost again. Stay tuned for more grammar magic.
The cat is under the chair.
The ball is in the box.
The picture is on the wall. It shows a beautiful landscape. What do you see in it? The shoes are under the bed. The keys are in my bag. The park is behind my house. The bank is next to the hospital. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I was born in 2005.
We have a meeting at noon.
I'll be there. Sounds good.
My birthday is in December. Hooray! I love the snow and my cake today. I will call you in the evening.
The train arrives at 9 p.m. Welcome aboard!
We go to school in the morning.
He came home at night. They got married in 2020. Notice the preposition in. It's essential for the date. Well done! The show starts at 6:30. Notice the preposition at. It tells us exactly when. She is going to school. The bird flew over the house. She walked across the road. He ran towards his mother.
Come here! Towards!
Yes, towards shows direction. The cat climbed up the tree. See the word up in red? It shows the cat is moving higher. Good job! She came from market. The word from tells us where she started. The car went through the tunnel. The word through shows us the car is moving from one side of the tunnel to the other. He fell off the bike. Listen, off.
Off.
Good! Off tells us where he fell.
He fell off.
The boy went inside the room. Let's watch the boy go inside the room.
Now
He is inside.
And that's it. See, mastering prepositions is easier than you thought. If you keep these simple rules in mind, you'll never make a mistake again. Now it's time for today's challenge. Look around you right now and tell me the position of one object using a preposition in the comments below. For example, my coffee is on the desk. I can't wait to read your answers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.